Here we go, folks. We're in the Big Grass ICP, and we have this nasty end of the road storm coming in. So we're waiting for death and destruction. Yeah, look at all the dust. It's gonna get interesting. We don't have to worry about the tent. The repeater stakes to hold those down. So they're a foot down in, not like these comedy relief stakes that they give out with the tents normally. You see, Supply has all of these awnings. That stuff's probably gonna go airborne here pretty quick. Not sure if we'll get any lightning or not. Looks like they're taking apart ground support and moving it. They don't have the second tent down yet, but maybe it'll actually come down. We had a huge dust devil pop in yesterday, and it was just incredible. It went right through where the mess tent would have been. It had already been taken down. Missed it literally by a few hours. Otherwise, it would have ripped through there at supper time, and it would have definitely created some mayhem. Gotta love it. Every day is a different adventure in fire camp. Thanks for watching.